So this is a short little video to demonstrate the BMW K1200LT. Just been tested, the basics, and just showing it working. So if you've got any questions, you can ask. So let's climb on. Take it off its stand. And it seems to start every time. The engine sounds sweet, there's no smell of smoke. Everything seems to operate as far as I can tell as it should do. I've not been able to check everything, I'm not actually sure what this thing here is. I need to look into that. Anyway, the radio works, the cassette player works, the lights are all working. Anyway, let's take it up a bit of a spin. It comes with a gear indicator on, that's kind of a useful looking thing. This piece here shows you what gears are. It's quite a heavy bike, and manoeuvring it stands still up to a few miles now. It does. You need to concentrate on what you're doing with it because it's so big. Anyway, there we go, it's all nice and smooth. It all goes nice and straight. A little bit of front braking described then. Quite a powerful front brake actually, although just a little bit more powerful in the back. Yeah, it just kind of feels normal, so it feels good. It's just a very relaxing bike to ride really. You've only got to do about 10 miles an hour and it all starts to sort of feel like a big armchair. Inch it up this hill, just coming around here this bend. No, it all just feels just as you would expect. Power spring. Yeah, that'll work nicely. That's what we're thinking about it. Anyway, that's the test done. If you can think of anything, just ask and I'll tell you what I know.